Bon, Thiago,
Ouais.
bientôt la reprise du foot.
Bah ouais.
Donc pour la fin des vacances de l'été, on essaie de faire une petite vidéo pour te remettre en jambes.
Ouais.
Et puis faire quelques petits exercices quoi. T'es chaud?
Ouais.
T'as testé les nouvelles chaussures, elles sont top. Donc maintenant on va faire quelques petits exercices.
Ouais.
Un peu spécial attaquant.
Ouais, je vais essayer de reprendre.
Et puis voilà, et puis on va commencer par un échauffement. Et après on fait quelques sprints, des passes, tout ça, puis vous allez voir après. T'es prêt?
Allez.
Il fait beau. C'est parti. Let's go. Bon, allez, on commence avec l'échauffement.
I used to kneel on velvet, talk to God like a friend, but silence echo back like he ain't gonna pretend. My grandma lit the sage, said, child, hush your doubt, but the faith in her voice had a tremble I caught. See, I grew up on hymns that wore church shoes thin, on altars built for rent, slips and bottle caps says. They told me miracles come slow like molasses in March, so I spoke in soft code, try to soften my heart. The roof leaked truth in a minor key tone, while the Bible in the kitchen smelled like gold cologne. And I wondered if redemption got a door I can knock, or if I'm just rehearsing.
Bon, on va enchaîner avec des sprints. Donc on va courir lentement et après on va accélérer.
In my chest like a hymn gone stale. Couldn't sing it out loud, so I scribed it in braille. The preacher passed out, the choir kept on. Their robes like rust, but they still sang strong. And I sat in that pew with a hole in my soul, trying to bargain with time, trying to patch up the hole. You ever cry so soft, the walls lean in like the room itself. Holding your sin, I got prayers I don't say, cause I know they still wait. Folded neat in the dark with a hand of grace.
Bon là on va prendre le ballon du coup. Et on va enchaîner avec quelques passes et puis des contrôles aussi.
My hope into the seams of the rug and bowed my head not for mercy but love.
Bon Thiago, donc maintenant ce qu'on va faire c'est que je vais lui lancer la balle et il va me faire une remise intérieur pied droit ou intérieur pied gauche. Vas-y tiens, je te donne un exemple. Vas-y lance. Voilà ce qu'il va devoir faire. Un coup sur le gauche, un coup sur le droit. Allez,
and I stare at the ceiling till stories took shape, till the wallpaper peeled back and turned into
shadows in the frame, still calling me home. I hear them in the silence, I'm never alone.
My uncle had a laugh like a low saxophone. Left for the war, but the war came home. He spoke through the rim of a bourbon stained glass. Told me, boy, time don't heal, it just lets things pass. I walked past the church where the roof always wept, where the preacher sang blues and the organist slept. Truth came slow like a winter train's breath, but every track it laid down felt closer to death. I learned that heaven ain't a place, it's a tone.
Bon c'était pas mal. Un petit peu de difficulté sur la remise du pied gauche, mais c'est normal, c'est pas ton pied, fort. Mais sinon non c'est bien, je vois une amélioration par rapport Donc là pour finir on va essayer de faire des jonglages pour voir si au niveau technique aussi tu t'es amélioré. Allez c'est parti. On va voir combien Thiago est capable de faire de jongles. Vas-y, recommence.
tears wasn't dry. Pops left prints on the door, none on the soul, but the lessons he skipped made me hole in a hole. See, broken, they is proof that we tried. Every crack in my spine holds a verse I survived. The roof leaked light on the nights I would cry, so I slept on the floor where my thoughts couldn't lie. It's the jagged, the bruised, the crooked and bruised that make me from scraps find a rhythm and blues.
Blessed are the cracks where the light breaks through. Every flaw I carry still points me to truth.
My cousin used to cut lines into the side of his face.
Donc pour le premier exercice, du coup Thiago va me faire la passe. Moi je vais le décaler, il va partir en profondeur et je vais lui remettre et il termine. Bah là on va faire 5 sur son bon pied, c'est-à-dire derrière le droit. Et après on en fait 5 sur son mauvais pied, le gauche.
Prayers in the case and build temples from pain and kneel anyway. We ain't perfect, we pilgrims with pieces in hands, trying to build something sacred that still understands. And if heaven got a gate for the scarred and the black, I hope it swings wide when I carry my cracks.
Blessed are the cracks where the light breaks through. Every flaw I carry still points me to truth.
World don't love perfect, it loves real, it loves deep. And I'm just the mosaic of the secrets out.
Before they gave me numbers, I had a name. And before I had a name, I was thunder without a cape.
Yeah. My name ain't just letters stitched in a line. It's a drum beat echo from an older time. This my grand's lullabies in a war-torn tongue. My mother's prayer when she was barely young. It's the
Donc là il va devoir conclure avec son mauvais pied, c'est-à-dire le pied gauche.
the ink in a passport that never felt whole. They call it exotic, I call it sacred. Each syllable a land that never got wasted. Say it wrong and I still rise calm, but know that my name got ancestral charm. Got queens in my bloodline, kings in my ache. Rebels in rhythm, I don't flinch when I break. When they tried to rename, I wrote in defiance. Etched every alias in spiritual science. My name got smoke, it got sky, it got fight. It's a country uncolonized, dressed in light.
A name is a nation carrying breath. It's born through the silence our elders left. They tried to erase it, rewrite the claim, but I found my power when I spoke my name.
Don't shorten it, bend it, or bleed.
Bon, je vais tester aussi pour lui montrer un peu.
Fed the fire when I walked alone. It don't need stage lights or marquee signs. It rang loud in villages without no time. It's carved in bark, whispered through steam. A river of meaning under every dream. You ask what I rep the unheard. The girls with names too rich for your tongue's curve. They laughed in class when the roll call hit. Now my voice get looped like a parliament writ. Names ain't labels, the spells we survive. Maps of the bloodline, ancient and live. If you say mine, say it like rain, with reverence, rhythm, and ancestral flame. I don't need borders to tell me I'm real. I built a nation.
Bon, je vais essayer du pied droit, ça va être moins facile qu'avec le pied gauche. Mais bon, on va voir.
It's born through the silence our elders left. They tried to erase it, rewrite the claim, but I found my power when I spoke my name.
Say your name like a drum.
Donc t'as vu à peu près?
I saw my childhood peeling like paint on a tenement wall, where the echo of dice shake still answer my call. Iron steps whisper stories when I climb late at night. Rust on a fire escape shimmering under moonlight. A shoelace for a belt, chalk lines near the stoop. Auntie boiling collard greens, kids huddled in a group. We knew the world through cracked glass and corner talk, and dreams that skip like records when we tried to walk. I wrote my name in the fall on a frozen bus window. Watch it fade like my cousin after that one crescendo. The city raised wolves dressed in corduroy trail, where the priest might bless you, but nobody care.
Don't fall, hold on to the railing, hold on to the railing. The rust
stains from the kitchen floor steam. Where mama's gospel played beside a morphine dream. Granny's hand shivered holding a wooden cross. Told me the fire escape safe, just don't forget who's lost. I seen halos dangle from the telephone wire.
Bon Thiago, t'as trouvé comment du coup?
Pas bien.
On avait déjà fait ça plusieurs fois. Voilà, on a filmé. Après c'est plus difficile sur son mauvais pied. Et puis on a un ballon qui est assez dur. Donc ça fait un peu mal au pied quoi. Mais bon, c'était cool.
Ouais.
Alors on enchaîne sur nos exercices. Let's go. Bon, pour l'exercice suivant Thiago,
Ouais.
toi tu vas partir avec le ballon. Et moi je vais partir 2-3 mètres après toi et je vais essayer de te rattraper. Toi ton but c'est de marquer un but. Et moi c'est essayer de te prendre le ballon.
Ok.
Ok? Bon c'est parti. Si moi je me place là, je fais là, toi. Voilà. Ici, moi je pars de là.
It's the distance between the world inside and the sky that never came down to help.
Ok, ça fait un point pour Thiago. Non, tu te mets à la fleur là. Ah, faut bien un peu plus dans le jeu quoi, sinon... Pars de là toi. Bon bah là je vais rattraper parce qu'il a eu peur en fait. Mais tu dois garder ton ballon. Soit tu arrives en vitesse, soit tu le gardes et tu essayes de me dribbler, tu vois. Moi je vais jouer que le ballon, je vais pas te tacler, hein, t'inquiète. Au niveau des fleurs. Tu vas là-bas Thiago.
I traced every vowel like a fingerprint's ghost, like the scent of your coat when I needed you most. It's a war in the chest when you bottle your grace. So I poured you in verses and drank at your pace. This ain't about closure, it's dirt on the boom. A voice in the hallway that lingers in rooms. Love ain't a moment, it's what don't decay. It's the sound of your footsteps and never.
Comment cet exercice?
Bien.
Pas trop, c'est pas un de tes préférés.
Oh non.
T'as soif du coup.
Ouais.
Non bah ouais, bah ça travaille un peu en fait ta conduite de balle, ta vitesse, et puis ne pas craquer sous la pression d'un défenseur qui revient à pleine balle quoi. Ok, bah tu t'es enrhumé tout seul. Allez, l'exercice suivant. Suivant du coup, moi je vais me mettre sur le passeur.
Ouais.
Je vais être au niveau des buts, je vais t'envoyer soit à terre, soit en l'air, soit à gauche, soit à droite.
Ok.
Tu vas devoir, soit tu contrôles et tu tires, soit tu tires direct, c'est comme tu le sens.
Je sais pas que
Vas-y, c'est quoi ta règle?
ton but c'est de...
Si tu veux, si c'est vraiment un top but. Et sur ce petit exercice-là, on va se mettre en compétition, on va se faire un petit duel.
Ouais.
Celui-là qui marque le plus de buts, quoi. Ok? Allez. Que le meilleur gagne. Bon, ok, donc je vais commencer. Comme tu veux, tu peux envoyer soit à terre, soit en l'air.
Hands in the dirt like a prayer gone unheard. She whispered the seeds like each one was a word. The house smelled like wood smoke and water rot. Like time forgot how to tick on that block. Her brother got caught in the storm with no name. A chalk outline where the flowers won't claim. Still she dug in the ground with a cracked silver spoon. Talking to ghosts by the light of the moon. They said lilacs don't bloom where the sorrow run deep. Where the roots drink grief and the angels don't sleep.
Don't bloom, still she plants in the dark, hoping something might grow from a memory spark.
Surprends-moi.
They bulldozed a lot, said the land had no worth. But she held her breath and pressed palms to the earth. Something still lives here, she swore through a jaw. Even if it's just silence that knows what it saw. And me, I still watch from the rustic
Bon, bah, 6 points pour moi.
wondering if hope got a place it can
Parce que j'ai marqué un but en top but, quoi. Allez, au tour de Thiago.
Je vise les 8 buts.
She returns a bouquet in a grip, a paper made petals, a wine on the lip. She lays them down slow like an offering true to a garden that never knew what blossoms could do.
Where lilacs don't bloom, still she plants in the dark, hoping something might grow from a memory spark.
Sunflowers ain't bad for the sun overall. Don't face the views where lilacs gone down. It wasn't a church, but I swear I felt in the Boston Street between the hunger and the hymn. The sink had a leak like a sermon gone thin. Every drop hit the rust with original sin. Mama boiled bath water on the stove by the clock while the roaches bore witness from the edge of the crock. She hung old hymns while the ceiling paint peeled, talking about angels while Rashman kneels. No cross on the wall, just a calendar tear where the Holy Ghost danced in the humid night air. We ain't had no time.
Pour ce premier duel, je le remporte. 6-4. Hein, petit loup. Oh, ça a été. Oh. Tu veux refaire la revanche? Vas-y, je commence. Je suis chaud là. Vas-y quand tu veux.
Yeah. Uncle had ghosts in the drawer with his pills. He saw God in the flame, and the flame gave chills. He said, boy, you find faith where the silence is loud. When the mole speaks louder than the prayers in the crowd. We baptize ourselves in a busted pipe spray and water that knew more sorrow than grace. I seen halos and soap scum, grace in the grime and forgiveness in dishes that sat there with time. So I learned to speak scripture through dust and delay, where the faucet kept time like a choir sway. And if the Lord ever showed in a robe or a whip, he first came to me through that faucet's trip. Holy Ghost in the faucet drip. Truth in the cracks where the light can't slip. True facts where the light can't slip. No pulpit, no choir, no robe, no flame. Just a beat in the leak, still calling his name. Not all angels got wings or shine and gold. Some just sit by the window, growing old. They watch from the sill where the curtains stay drawn, where the coffee turns cold but the soul holds on. That corner of sky they see every day. It's a stained glass reminder they ain't drifted away. Miss Laverne on the second floor prays where the plants, tells the mailman's story, slips truth in the glance. She lost the whole choir to time and regret. Now she sings to the wind with a voice like a net. And Lil June on the stoop got a scar on his lip. He sketches whole cities in the steam on the glass tip. He ain't said a word in 4 seasons and change, but his eyes got verses that ain't learned how to tame. Windowsill saints watching life fall slow.
Bon allez, on refait une dernière parce que là du coup j'ai gagné 4-3 et Thiago veut refaire, donc on fait une dernière mais sur 3 frappes.
But they hum holy truth while they fold in their clothes. The block calls them quiet, the church calls them strange, but heaven keeps score on a much broader range. A crack in the glass, a cup on a sill, a prayer whispered soft in the shadow of will. They raised generations just holding their ground, built cathedrals of calm when no echo resounds. They don't post no verses, don't boast no creed, but their kindness is gospel, they stillness is seed. So the next time you pass that window lit face, know a saint just blink back in a secular place. Windowsill saints watching life fall slow. Faith in the silence, grace in the glow. They don't ask for much, just time to be still. Some save the world from a windowsill. The steeple still stands, but the sound done fled. No hallelujahs, just echoes instead. There was a time when the choir raised roofs off the stone, now the pews sitting silent.
Bon voilà, fin de ce petit exercice. Moi j'aime bien, en vrai j'aime bien cet exercice. Je sais pas si t'aimes bien aussi. C'est des ballons qui viennent soit à terre, soit en l'air, et puis il faut allumer après. Non, c'était cool, on va bien jouer. On passe à un autre.
Vas-y.
Bon, du coup, exercice. Je vais faire la passe à Thiago. Et en même temps que je faire la passe, je vais dire gauche ou droite. Et il devra contrôler avec son pied gauche et avec son pied droit. Et après finir. Ok? Allez, démonstration. T'es prêt? Droit. Gauche.
I remember when Brother Malik led the 10 and now his name's in the wall like a ghost of a winner. A eulogy unspoken.
Le gauche, c'est un peu trop facile pour lui, je vais le droit.
Incense of memory climbs with lament. The stained glass don't catch the sun like before. Too many shadows now dance on the floor. And ain't no collection plates.
Je savais, je vous avais dit quoi.
Holding back tears for what God understands. Some say the church moved a block in the street, but even that choir got holes in its beat. So I hum to myself and I nod to the sky, still hoping for thunder where the songs used to cry.
No party promise, until no place, no place.
On a dit droit.
Kiss
Je
the
vais essayer.
ground like cattle when the road don't sound. I'm a light use the trunk on the ground. No, I hate this short color burn.
Désolé, j'ai glissé ça. Ouais, j'ai glissé.
On Sunday, no grace, just silence and verses and dust in the place.
He ain't cheap with his head. He ain't cheap with his voice. But still, I learned everything in the quiet.
He ain't speak much, just let it smoke slow. Had to stare like winter and hands full of snow. The house hum with what he never would say.
Bon, on va faire une petite variante avec cet exercice en fait. Où Thiago va me passer la balle et c'est moi qui va le décaler soit à droite soit à gauche et puis il finit. Ok?
Clean through the grief like each hair was a promise or a prayer with no teeth. Never said I love you, never said I'm proud, but I swear I heard it whispered in the way he'd sit down, fixed that old sink, or patched up the screen. That was him saying things just caught in between.
My father's silence was a song he knew. Play on a reed and a key I grew. My father's silence was a song he knew. Played on repeat in a key I grew.
I used to mimic the way he would tighten his jaw, like he was holding a world he ain't want me to solve. And now when I speak, I catch pieces of him in the space between thoughts and the weight in my limbs. He ain't march in a choir, he ain't pray out loud, but he'd leave on a porch light where the sky got loud. That bulb was a song, that flicker was grace. 1,000 unsaids glowing soft in his place. Now I wax quiet like a coat in the rain. Thick with regret, line with unspoken pain. But even in stillness, like a hymn too long, taught me the silence can still be a song.
My father's silence was a song he knew. Played on repeat in a key I grew.
Something about love without words or choice. Guess silence needs echo, speaker than noise.
Let's go comme tu veux. T'es prêt? T'es prêt? On va finir cette petite entraînement reprise pour le début de la saison avec un exercice phare pour les attaquants. C'est le 1 contre 1. Donc moi je vais me mettre en tant que gardien et toi tu vas venir soit me marquer un but, soit essayer de me dribbler, soit... Et du moment que le ballon est dans les buts, c'est bon, c'est validé pour toi. Ok, t'es prêt?
Ouais.
Allez, go!
Still haunts the sleeve of my oldest scarf. I light incense now just to keep her close, but memory ain't smoke. It clings like a ghost. Every letter I wrote, tried to stitch what I broke, but the margins just wept and the stamps never spoke. I mailed none, just let them live in the drawer next to the scarf that still smells like before.
Letters I never mailed, Smells I never loved, but the lover lost. Letters I never read, held down never done, like a love at a cost.
The postman still walks, but he don't bring peace. Just coupons and silence in a stack that repeats. I tried once to write it with trembling grace, but the page caught a tear, so I folded the trace. I smelled it once in a stranger's coat. Paused mid-step like a memory spoke. A rush of what-ifs and a quiet collapse, like perfume in winter, thunder that taps. I read back my words like psalms with regret. Each line a confession I ain't mailed yet. Some loves ain't lost, they just live in a scent and return with the wind like divine accidents.
Letters I never read, smells I never loved, but the love I paused. Letters I never read, smells like heaven love, like a love at a cost.
Ok, bon, Thiago est plutôt à l'aise avec cet exercice en 1 contre 1, donc ça a été assez facile pour lui.
Ah, tu vas le gardien aussi.
Ça veut dire quoi ça? Mais bon, je t'en ai arrêté 2-3. Donc maintenant à voir après en match s'il est aussi efficace qu'en entraînement. Allez, on passe aux séances pénalty parce que t'aimes bien.
Ah, bien sûr.
Et après ça sera fin de séance. Donc Thiago, t'as 5 tirs. Après c'est fini, ok? Attends, je vais
I
aller
loved
placer.
her in silence. I still do now.
I tried to outrun time, but time never chased me. It just watched and you.
Time moves like a monk, slow steps through fire. Where roads made of silence and songs of the tired. Clocks don't tick here, they breathe like men. And minutes fall soft like forgotten sin. My memories flicker in sepia frames. With grandmama's voice humming through my name. She said, boy, don't rush, the grave got room. So I learned to sip sorrow like afternoon gloom. The calendar curls like a paper in heat. As years drip slow from my balcony seat. The past is a ghost that sleeps in my coat. I feel it when wind slips fingers through my throat. Every wrinkle.
Bon Thiago,
Ouais,
fin de la petite séance, t'as trouvé comment?
trop bien.
C'était cool, bon on est encore en vacances donc c'est un peu plus dur
Ouais, même si on s'entraîne tous les jours.
de reprendre, tu vois, c'est un peu plus dur de reprendre, mais bon là on a commencé déjà depuis une semaine ou deux à reprendre un peu le training. Mais bon c'était cool.
Ouais.
Et puis toi t'as entraînement dès demain.
Ouais,
Donc au moins t'es dans le bain là et puis c'est parti pour la saison après.
Allez,
Bah
c'est
tu termines
parti.
par une petite frappe. Et aussi bon début de saison à tous les footeux qui reprennent
Ouais,
d'ici quelques semaines. Allez, on se rendez-vous sur le terrain.
Plates like summer still cares. Some things don't change, and some change
Okay.
too much. Like the way good men start speaking in hush. I wrote down the days on the back of my hand, but the ink bled out like a slow reprimand. Truth takes time, but the lies come fast, and the present ain't nothing but a prayer.